Hey everyone, welcome back. Grab your watering can because today we're talking about gardenscapes. Lately, I've noticed this trick taking off all over the internet. Players are claiming you can unlock tons of stars and coins in gardenscapes using just your phone. No computer, no complicated settings, just a few clicks. At first, I wasn't ready for it. Gardenscapes doesn't usually give up rewards that easily, right? But curiosity got the better of me, so I decided to test it out myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I tried it, walk you through each step, and then show you the results after completing all the steps. Let's see if this little gardening trick actually helps you grow your plants. The first thing you'll need is your player ID. You can usually find this in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. I found mine pretty fast and copied it so I could use it later. Nothing is confusing here, it's a quick and easy step. Next, I opened my phone's web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should be fine. Then I searched for the site people are mentioning. They've got all kinds of mods and hack tools for popular mobile games. When the page loaded, there weren't any annoying pop-ups or weird redirects. It actually looked clean and normal, which I wasn't expecting. Next, I selected my platform. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option for iOS, which was nice to see. After that, I pasted in my player ID and double-checked that everything looked correct. Once I tapped continue, the site started a short loading process with some smooth animations. Nothing lagged or froze, it all worked smoothly. Then it asked how many resources I wanted. For testing purposes, I chose the maximum amount just to see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars showed different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if anything actually changed, I jumped straight back into Gardenscapes and checked my stars and coins. And they were already there. No restarting the app, no waiting around for updates. Everything showed up instantly, like the garden had just refreshed itself on the spot. I honestly didn't expect it to work that fast, so yeah, that part really caught me by surprise. So based on my test, the method worked just like it was described. The steps were simple, the site was mobile-friendly, and everything was easy to follow as long as you take your time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, leave a comment and tell me how it went. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.